We're going to do our feather stitch now, and on any of our line stitches we could draw our pattern and then trace over it, but I didn't on most of them. But on this one I'm going to, because just to help keep it in place. So feather stitch, we're going to start at the top of our line, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go off to one side and do a little short stitch. I'm going to keep the thread down below, okay? So keep the thread down low. I'm going to do a little short stitch on a diagonal. I'm going to come in and then back up on our actual line. And that's going to kind of make this little like mini Y shape, right? And then I'm going to do the same thing from the other side. Again, keeping the thread on the bottom. A little short stitch. Cross over the thread. And so you just kind of go on like that, alternating and crossing over the thread. See if I can do this with my left hand so you can see. So alternating sides, coming in off to the side, kind of at a like a downward diagonal, and back up on the line. I really can't do it well with my left hand. There we go. In and back up on the line. And so it makes this cool little feathered pattern, okay? Okay, so in order to make a kind of a two-branch thing, I took a few stitches down, and then right here, I actually just tethered it down just like I would at the bottom of a daisy stitch. And I went on the bottom up to here and did another branch of them, and now I just brought it back so that they meet at the same spot on my last stitch. And then I'm just going to do a couple more stitches. Right, one over there, and one over here, and I'll show you how to tie it off. Okay, so if I want this to be the bottom of my feather stitch, I'm going to go right back through on the other side of that floss right there and just tie it down just like a daisy stitch like I did above. See that? And then, since these are kind of scattered down here at the bottom, I'm going to do a real tie off instead of just winding it through. There we go. And that is our feather stitch.